Alright, so I just got this order of tools come in for me to sharpen. And it's probably my favorite order. So I wanted to share that and also show off a couple of the new tools I got here. So in this order there's no knives at all. I enjoy learning how to do the knives. I'm getting better at it. And I'm using this thing here, the 1x30. I got all the different belts from 40 grit up to 2000 and leather belt. Anyways, a couple of lawnmower blades come in this recent order, and I've got that figured out pretty good now. I've done 3 or 4 different methods, all of which I liked. They're all good, but I like this one the best. And so I'm doing a good job getting them good and sharp. Mainly it's a matter of cleaning, scraping, brushing all the crud off that thing so I can balance it properly in the end. And then when I'm done, oil them up, and they're sharp and clean. So I don't know why. I mean, it's not a big paying job, but that's probably one of my favorite things to do there. Then which one? A whole whack of these clippers, trimmers come in, and I mean, there's some hand ones there. These ones are incredible. I'll give them their own time. And just some regular ones. And these are much the same as lawnmower blades. Most of the work is just, clean them up, and then a little bit of the time is doing the actual sharpening. I don't know if you can see that edge at all there, but I take it apart and sharpen both edges, and that thing there is sharp. In general, a lot of these newer ones, they're not the best. If I get an old set, they're meant to last a lifetime. So that's, oh yeah, this guy here. These were really nice, well adjusted set of clippers here. And I couldn't take them all the way apart just because I didn't want to take this nut off. But I got them so I could sharpen them anyway. But they're a real nice set. They're freaking nice and sharp now. And they're in good adjustment. Lastly, Buddy dropped off these. I looked at them. I presume that there's 2 of them, same size. They're 12-inch. And looked like they were probably for a chop saw. And this one here, I've only seen this one other time. They're really, really big carbide tips on it. They're quite thick. And I haven't really gotten a good look at it. They're a little bit dirty. I mean, I'll clean them up, but I wouldn't be surprised if this thing here is for cutting metal. Anyway, that's the end. That's the end of his order and show off cut my tools. This thing here had, and I look forward to using this a little more. But this tool here is for sharpening these circular saws. But we'll save that for another video too. I think that's enough for now.